Hello, So I'm Crypto Lord, and I welcome you all to my screen, my phone screen as well. So a lot of people have been asking me, do you invest in stocks and stuff, or do you know much about stocks? So today I want to do a video to show you much about stocks. So I will leave the platform link in the description. Is Bamboo. So I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to register and start your stock trading. And one thing about this stock trading is that it accepts local banks as well. So if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, it will accept your mobile money and stuff. And you can withdraw your stock profits through your mobile money within few minutes or few days. You can get your money in your mobile money. So when you register the account and you do your verification and stuff, this is how the account would look like. I've just hide this thing, but if after doing it, it will not hide. So then you come to your invest here. So in this case, and one thing is, this platform accepts even as low as 100 Ghana cedis, but if you want more, you can start with, let's say, 1,000 or 2,000 Ghana cedis to start your investment in this stock trading. So when you come to the invest, you consider we have Apple, we have Amazon, we have Global X, we have the Red Deshna, we have Energy Transfer, we have a lot. So our focus right now is on Tesla. On Tesla. So right now, the market is closed. And one thing about stock trading, which is different from crypto trading, is that crypto trading, there's no market close. Unless it's forex trading that they close market. It's crypto trading, they don't close market. So stock trading too, they close market. So you can see that, Tesla, the market is closed right now. And today, before the market was closed, it was down by 0.55%. 0.55%. So, before you buy any coin or before you buy any stock, you can compare the stocks and see the stock that is currently doing well in the market. You can compare the stocks and see the stock that's doing well in the market. So right now, if you're buying a full Tesla, that's like the stock right now is 4,163. And that's $326.55. But you can buy any amount that you want. Just have to click buy here. So before you click buy here, you have to complete your KYC, because this is a new platform for tutorials, because you don't have to use your real stock market platform to do tutorials, because I've been having before. That's why I'm doing this. So you can go here. So you just have to do your processing first. So they will ask you some question: investment profile, personal details and stuff, marital status. So you can say you are single, employment. You can say that you are employed, or if you're a student, you can say you are in student. Occupation. So let me search and see whether I'll get my occupation. I use finance and insurance, but depends on you. You can use anyone that you want if your own falls here. So the first one I use finance and insurance. And employee name, employer name. You can enter your name over here. Let's say goals: active trader, daily trader, trading infrequently, when I see an opportunity, new to investing. So you are new, so you can go to new to investing. So experience, Experience, since you don't have experience, you can say none. So don't have any experience. Risk tolerance, low risk, moderate risk, speculative risk, high risk. So can say low risk because you are new. Source of what? Company says gift, loan, sales of profit, savings from salary, savings from salary, liquidity. So liquid. So from 0 to 72,000. Yeah. Net worth. Your net worth depends on your net worth. So my net worth. Then yearly income. Yearly income. Can choose from here. Then you go next. So enter your position here. I forgot here. So military, tailor, technician, nurse, politician, manager. So I'm affiliated or work with US broker dealer, or I'm directly none of the above. So then you make your deposit. So you can go to make deposits. So make the deposit. We have which wallet you like to deposit. You have the US and the Ghana cedis. So first of all, you have to choose Ghana cedis, and after that you convert the Ghana cedis. So let's say you want to start with 2,000 Ghana cedis, 10 Ghana cedis. So the minimum deposit is 127. That's what I told you earlier on. Yeah. So you can go to here. Then CD mobile money. So you can choose here. And 2,000 plus, you'll pay a fee of I think 30 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So just enter your number here, choose provider, that's MTN, continue, and that's it. You see. So when you do it, it will be here. When they open market, I will do it also. Yeah, I'll do it also. I'll try to buy new stocks in my real account for you to also see it. Yeah, it will, after buying it, it will be here. Then you exchange it from here. So you go to transfer. So you exchange it from here, not here, but this one. So transfer to your USD wallet. So you click here and you transfer the money from your Ghana wallet to your USDT wallet, and it will appear here. Then you can go to the investment and buy Tesla or any coin that you want. You see, then you can do it and you do it. Yeah, and this is how you buy Tesla. And one thing is, so every day when it's going up, like how you buy crypto and you hold it, when it's going up you see it, when it's coming down you see it as well. Yeah, one thing is, right now Elon Musk is the richest person, so investing in Tesla is a good move. And one thing is, investing in stock product, investing in stocks, like it's not a day or 2 days thing. Months, years, at times we can invest in stocks and you leave it for a year. That's how stock trading is. We don't invest in stock and wait for 2 days or 3 days to get profit. No, you invest in stock, put your money inside for a year, 2 years, months, then you get a very good profit on it. Then you cash it out through your mobile money. Yeah. So this is how you start stock trading in Ghana or in Africa. And I think I have to do much videos about it. And I will also do live video about it also, because currently the market is closed and the market will be open, I think in 10 hours later. 10 hours later. So the market will open 1:30 p.m. this Friday. They'll open the market 1:30 p.m. this Friday. So we are in Friday, so 1:30 p.m. the market will open. Then you start. So right now you can, right now here you can do your analysis and stuff, read news about it. And one thing about stock too It's also influenced by news as well. Yeah, yeah. So I'll show you how you compare stocks and buy good stocks in my next video. So if you're new to this, just click on the link and register, download the app, register it, and let's start a stock trading as well. It's not only crypto that we have to put our money inside. Stock trading also helps. And over here, Cry, like you can also invest in crypto as well.